How to delete Spotify account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To delete Spotify account, make sure you have downloaded Spotify app on your device. So open your Spotify app. Now here on top of your screen you will find different options. So tap on this profile icon located on top left hand side of your screen. And then you will see this pop up. So tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on this account icon located on top of your screen. And then you will see this page. So here on middle of your screen you will find this option to delete your data permanently, delete your account. So tap on this delete your account. Now you will see this page. So simply scroll down all the way to bottom. Now tap on continue to close your account. And then you will see this page. So again scroll down all the way to bottom. Now make sure that you have tick mark this option. So simply tap on it. And then tap on continue to close your account. And then you will see this page. Check your email to close. So Spotify will send you a mail on your email address to verify deletion of your account. So go back and open your Gmail app. So open Gmail. And here you can see I have got mail from Spotify. So open it. And then simply scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this option close my account. So tap on it. And as soon as you click on it, your Spotify account will be successfully deleted. So this is all you need to do to delete your Spotify account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.